folks, in this video we're going to replace the diesel fuel filters on this 2016 Holden Captiva. So I'll just show you the replacement filters. So I'm using the Westfield Cooper brand. The part number on there is WCF283, interchangeable with R2768P. Let's just take a look at these. So out of the box, that's what they look like. I believe they're both identical. Yeah, they're both exactly the same. 27mm socket to loosen that up. That only gets tightened to 20 newton meters, which is practically nothing. So as long as it feels tight, that should be okay. Alright, I think it's time to get the old ones off. Alright, so we had some issues with the filter I ordered. So this was the replacement one, but this actual filter is not the correct one. See, it says on here interchangeable with R2768P. So I ended up buying Ryco R2768P, and the difference is in height. So these are the original ones are back in the car again because it took a few weeks to get this sorted out. These were the ones I ordered, and these are the Repco replacement, and you can sort of see straight away it's only a small height difference, about 10mm, but these didn't actually fit in there correctly. The actual diameter, these ones are slightly smaller as well, so I just need to get these ones fitted and start all over again. We're up the back of it near the rear left hand side wheel. Fuel tank is just there. This unit here is what contains the filter, so there's the two filters here. There's also a drain plug here, so normally when you get your car serviced you would drain the water out of this filter. Water usually sits down the bottom. Diesel's a lot less dense, so it floats on top. So by draining the water, you're just removing the water out of the bottom of this unit. That sensor there, I believe, is what detects the water level, if the water level is getting too high. So first of all, I'm just going to drain this. So that's a Phillips head screw. I'm trying to give you the best view possible without my hands getting in the way. So let's just give this one a go. So if you were servicing your car, you would only run this to get the water out until diesel comes through, but because we're going to be taking out all the filters anyway, there's no harm in just letting that drip completely right out of there. So the first part will come out would be water, and then eventually that will be followed by diesel fuel, but we'll just let that drip all the way through. Just lifting it up a bit just so it doesn't splash. I might just do that up for a second now, because I'm worried that that's just all fuel coming out of the tank when it shouldn't be. So let me just do that up, and then I'll undo these two now, because the amount that's in that tray seems like it's more than what would be filling up here, but maybe not. So this is a 27mm socket. So when you unscrew them, you'll get to a point where they're sort of just sitting like they're clipped in, and then you can just pull them down to get them out. I've got another tray just to put these into. Alright, let's get those new filters in, because I believe this is just siphoning out of the tank right now. So I'll just put a little bit of diesel on the seal here just to help them go in a bit better.